Hello, Jay the Shark here with your weekly weather update live on Sunday morning. It's about 7:35-ish in the morning on a Sunday, and I'm doing this because I've got to go and do other stuff. But anyway, it's the weekly weather forecast. I have to say, today looks actually, this is live right now, 7:35-ish in the morning. As you can see, there is some cloud sky, there's a little touch of blue sky. Yesterday, there was lots of drops of sunshine falling from the sky, but that's okay. They clear pretty quick. The squalls come through. It's a little bit overcast, but there are patches of blue sky up there as well. It's not too bad. Interesting. But let's see what the weather's going to do for this week with me, Jay the Shark, in a minute in my house. Cool. Come on then. Bye. Look, see? There is some blue sky up there. Not too shabby. Not a bad Sunday morning. Nice. Yeah, see? Pyramids. Fake. They're not real. Can't build a pyramid. No one could build a pyramid back in the day. Ridiculous. Ah! Hello! How are you? Jay the Shark here with your weekly weather forecast. June, Sunday morning. A little bit tired. But anyway, let's get to the weather. Right. Now this one, we're going to go a little bit different. Normally we start with windy, we talk about the wind. But today I'm going to start with this one, which is a TMD weather radar, which is pointless unless you're looking at this in real time, because this is real time. So this is right now, Sunday morning as we speak. You maybe can't see it because it's a little bit small, but you can see Phuket is here, right smack back bang in the middle. And right here, in the green and the yellow, that's some rain, and that's coming in. So it's going to get a little bit wet soon, I think. So if you're going out right this minute, at what time am I recording this? 7:43 in the morning, then you might get a bit wet later. But let's go to our normal, which is our windy app. Ooh, now windy, why do we look at windy? Now windy shows us what the wind's doing, which shows where the weather's coming from. It also shows if it's going to be a little bit bumpy out there. So I should point out, we have had a weather warning for the 4th to the 10th. Now today, what day is it today? It's the 8th today, so we're kind of midway through that. Yesterday it was a little bit rainy and a little bit windy, a few squalls coming through, but they cleared out pretty soon. It was a little bit overcast during the day. Now Sunday, as you can see, there's lots of wind. Now green means it's windy, blue's good, purple's really good, and yellow means it's really windy. I've kind of gone, I should have done that better, shouldn't I? Yellow's really windy, green's windy, blue's not so, well blue's good, purple's really good. Have I covered that? I think so. It's a bit early, isn't it? I might have had a few sherbets last night. Anyway, Sunday morning, as it looks like, this is right now. This is 8 o'clock in the morning, which is in about 5-10 minutes time. Let's look at Sunday afternoon. Oh, wowzers, Sunday afternoon, yeah, it's going to be really windy, so it's going to be very, very windy. You can see it's going to be, this is down in Phi Phi down here, Phang Nga Bay here, and even in Phang Nga Bay there's a bit of wind. Normally Phang Nga Bay is protected by Phuket, Phang Nga and Krabi, but as you can see, because of the strong winds we're having at the moment, it's actually blasting through Phuket and coming into Phang Nga Bay. Now it still won't be as bumpy in Phang Nga Bay as it is down in Phi Phi, because as you see in Phi Phi here, it's pretty open, whereas Phang Nga Bay is protected a little bit. Right, let's look at Monday the 9th. Monday the 9th, still a bit windy, it's starting to drop off, ease off a little bit. Monday afternoon, wowzers, comes back again. Look, there's some big wind coming all from the west coast. So the west coast beaches will be very, very rough. So I'm going to recommend don't go to the west coast beaches for the start of this week. Also, if you are on the west coast beach, you see the red flags, please don't swim. Even if you think you're a great swimmer, there's loads of rip currents and rip tides out there and can drag you out. So please be very, very careful. Right, where are we going? Monday evening, wind's starting to drop off a little bit. Tuesday the 10th, this was the final day of the weather warning that we got from the Thai meteorological department. As you can see, it's now gone to green. It was yellow. Tuesday afternoon, starting to ease off a little bit. Still a bit bumpy coming back to Phi Phi. Phang Nga Bay looks okay. Let's look at Wednesday the 11th. Wednesday 11th, bang. See, there you go. It's not too bad, is it? There is still some wind. As you can see, here's the yellow wind, but that's going up to the more towards the Similan Islands, but they're closed right now, so it doesn't matter. But as you can see, Phang Nga Bay, even down in Phi Phi, nice and blue. So Wednesday looks really nice. Wednesday afternoon looks great. So it's only the first of the start of the week that looks a little bit windy. Wednesday afternoon looks lovely. Let's look at Thursday the 12th. Wow, Thursday the 12th looks great. Loads of purple, some blues, wind's coming from the north, which means there isn't too much wind, which is nice. Thursday afternoon, look at that! Thursday afternoon looks great. What am I doing Thursday the 12th? Don't know. Anyway, Thursday afternoon looks really good, loads of purple, all over Phang Nga Bay and Phi Phi. Let's look at Friday the 13th. Friday the 13th! Ooh, scary. There's going to be ghosts and ghouls everywhere on Friday the 13th. But Friday the 13th looks really nice to go out, actually. Looks really good. Blues and purples everywhere. Let's look at Friday afternoon. Friday afternoon looks good too. Let's look at Saturday the 14th. That looks amazing. I think I'm playing a touch rugby tournament that weekend, Saturday the 14th. I'm not sure. It means I have to run around and do... What's touch rugby? Not real rugby, is it? I want to be more rugby, egg chasing, rah. Anyway, Saturday looks nice. Saturday afternoon looks really good. And then Sunday the 15th, that looks pretty good too, Sunday afternoon. So it's great. So it's the start of the week. So Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday all look a little bit windy, but then it dies off, and Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday all looks fantastic. So that's great. Not too shabby for low season, to be fair, which is good. Let's look at our acute weather. So this is your standard, bog standard weather forecast. So this is Sunday, 30 degrees. There's a 91% chance of rain, but I think we've just seen that on the TD weather forecast. So it is going to rain today at some point. I'm sure it is, because it rained yesterday, that's for sure. I was at a horse riding competition yesterday. In fact, that's where I'm going now. So I've got to rush this video, and then maybe I can take a quick clip at the horse riding. Miguel can edit it in at some point. Monday, 31 degrees there, more rain coming on Monday. Tuesday, 80% chance of rain, 32 degrees. And then as we can see, Wednesday, it starts to clear up. And then Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday all look really nice. Very much the same pattern as our windy app. So there you go. That's your weather for this week. So it looks like it's going to be a little bit rainy and a little bit windy at the start of the week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. But as we move into Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday for next week, it looks lovely. Perfect time to go out. I highly recommend going to Phang Nga Bay, even going to Hong Krabi, do a bioluminescence tour. That's a lovely one to do. But Phang Nga Bay is always nicely protected. I went down to Coral Island the other weekend. That was quite nice. There's kite islands to go to, which are over here. But yeah, you can still go down to Phi Phi, but I wouldn't go down to Phi Phi on the start of the week, because as you can see, it'll be quite windy, quite bumpy. But the end of the week, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, all looks lovely. So there you go. That's your weekly weather update with me, the very tired jailer shark, who doesn't believe the pyramids were built by people from the pyramid time. Is that a time? Is that a time period? Pyramid time? I know. Anyway, I gotta get changed because I'm off to watch some people ride horses. Woo woo! Thanks for watching. Oh, please like and subscribe and all that jazz. Appreciate that. Thank you. Bye. Hello, Jay here. Just did the weather and now look, I'm here doing horsey stuff. Not riding, just talking. Woo woo!